Out at the Yates Mill. I think there's a better name from that, but that's where I am, outside of Raleigh. Currently hiking in the rain. Wore the wrong gear. Got the shoes right, but not the top right. So this is what I look like right now. This is what it looks like right now. Not what I look like right now. Well, this is what I look like right now. All right, you don't want to see that. You want to see the trail, don't you? Give me tease it a little bit longer. Here we go. Here's the trail. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Try to be quiet there for a bit so you can kind of get a taste of what's going on. You can see the rain falling on me. But yeah, stunning. If you live in the Raleigh area, if you haven't hiked this trail before, it's not a long one, but it's a beautiful one out here, especially in the green and the rain. How about one more shot as I walk down to this interesting looking bridge? All right, I'll wrap it up at the bridge. Have a good one.